Tuesday's precise and important news. More than 7 billion Afghanis revenue collected in the last 1 year. Ministry of Telecommunication and Information Technology says that in the last 1 year it has collected 7.5 billion Afghanis revenue from the 10% tax on telecommunication companies and handed it over to the state treasury. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan had completed all conditions for recognition. Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, acting Foreign Affairs Minister, said in an interview with a BBC journalist said that Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan had completed all conditions for recognition by the international community and now should be recognized as a legitimate government of Afghanistan. FAO to rehabilitate 79 irrigation projects in Afghanistan. Food and Agriculture Organization has said that in order to access water and improve irrigation in Afghanistan, it will rebuild 79 irrigation projects. This department added that successive droughts in Afghanistan have had a negative impact on the country's food security. 189 Afghan detainees were released from Iran prisons. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's Foreign Affairs Ministry said that 189 Afghan detainees have been released from prisons in Iran and transferred to Afghanistan through the Islam Kala crossing point. Another $40 million cash aid package arrives in Kabul. A cash package of $40 million in humanitarian aid arrived in Kabul yesterday and has been handed over to a commercial bank in Kabul. A new transformer activated in Ghazni. A 630 kilowatt transformer activated in Nawabad area of capital Ghazni, providing electricity to hundreds of families. In Ghazni, 18 new transformers have been activated this year, supplying power to over 2,500 families, and 14 more transformers are in the process. For the first time, Kandahar's Maruf in Arghistan district gets telecom services. Local officials say for the first time, telephone and internet services have been launched in Maruf in Arghistan district of Kandahar province.